Hey there, thanks for tuning in on this video about Psithyros, a simple and minimalistic way of encrypting and decrypting stuff securely with a password. If you haven't seen the intro video and have no clue what's about to happen, make sure to check that video out before watching this one. Link is in the description below. Now, this small button here at the top right corner of the app gives you access to the settings menu. In here, you can customize a few things, like for example what encryption algorithm to use. The underlying pwcrypt library provides two very well-known industry standard encryption algos at the time of writing, and stuff like that. Compression is a value that determines how much messages should be compressed before encrypting. This is useful, for example, when encrypting zip files or tar.gz archives. In those cases, you can quickly set this to 0 since the files are already compressed. Psithyros will then proceed to only encrypt them without applying any compression. But usually it's a good idea to apply some compression to your text messages, since text messages can be compressed so nicely. The underlying password hashing algorithm used is Argon2, specifically the ID variant. It's currently the best password hashing solution known, and has won the password hashing contest in 2015. Time cost is the amount of iterations to use for Argon2. Memory cost is the minimum amount of memory to allocate for every password hashing action. Parallelism sets the amount of threads that need to be spawned for the hashing to take place. An attacker would therefore need to allocate at least these values here of resources per attempt for a potential concurrent password cracking attempt. In the lower region of the settings menu, you can change minor settings concerning the GUI itself, such as the theme, which is changed dynamically, the sound effects, and the automatic update checks that are performed when launching the application. Now let me quickly put this back to dark. My poor eyes, damn it. And then there's also this sort of kill switch here. Well, it's not really a kill switch, but it just restores your default settings. Yeah. The About button gives version number information, open source, license statements, and the whole legal stuff, you know. This is everything. Told you it was simple in the first video, didn't I? I hope you really enjoyed this and have a great time.